inputs, what is 0 plus 0? You know, for that one, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, right? This already you know this information. Whatever we discussed, this information you know. The first three are very easy. So the input is 1, the input is only the 1, then output is only one digit. 1 digit plus 1 digit equal to 1 digit, right? And whereas this is AND bit. The should be no for this. This is AND bit. This is AND bit. This is what sum. This is sum bit. Whereas the last two digits, these are the two digits. How many digits we got? 2 digits we got. Then what is the sum? The sum is 0. Then what is this higher significant bit? This higher significant bit we represented as this is a higher significant bit. This one is a higher significant bit. So MSB. What is MSB? Most significant bit. This one is a MSB or sometimes higher significant bit. Whereas 0 is a LSB, least significant bit. So that least significant bit. Okay, this is the highest significant bit, MSB. This is the least significant bit. Always the least significant bit will be carry sum. This is what? This is a carry. Okay, always higher significant bit will be the carry bit. Okay, to perform all these, we require 2 bits. So definitely, how many bits we required? 2 bits, right? So whatever, we don't focus about that output. So how many bits we require to perform that addition? How many bits we require? Only the 2 bits, right? Only the 2 bits. So that if you require the 2 bits, it is called as a half adder. మనకు 2 bits కంటే ఉన్నాయి కావాల్స్తే దాని కాంబినేషన్ సర్క్యూట్ ఇట్ పెర్ఫార్మ్స్ హాఫ్ యాడర్. ఇది హాఫ్ యాడర్ అనేది పెర్ఫార్మ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ suppose sometimes we require the 3 bits. Here how many bits? Input bits are 2 input bits we required. Then the combination circuit is an half adder. If the circuit will be required the 3 bits, then that combination circuit it is known as full adder. So will learn about what is a full adder. So in a full adder, among the 3 bits, the 2 significant bits, these are the 2 significant bits, and one is the previous carry. So అంతకు ముందున్న క్యారీ బిట్ ఈ 2 బిట్స్ కలుపుకుంటే మనకి ఫుల్ యాడర్ అనేది వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ what is an half adder and what is in a full adder. Introduction about this one. Another approach for getting that full adder, you can add the 2 half adders, will get that 1 full adder. Got it? So these are the information should be learned. So see, you know that 2 bits, how we are adding the 2 bits, and see that, and here if we add 1 bits, the 1 bit is the carry bit, the 0 bit is sum bit, and the addition of the 2 bits we are adding half adder. If you required, sometimes required, you can add the 3 bits, we require the full adder. Okay, sometimes 2 half adders will be having the full adder. We'll see, once you see the circuit diagram, then you can easily let you know the difference between the full adder as well as half adder, and where I can use the full adder and half adder. Always the binary adder and subtractor, binary adder as well as a binary subtractor is a common circuit that performs the arithmetic operations of addition as well as a subtraction with binary numbers only. Okay, next we'll see for that half adder. So first we'll learn about what is an half adder. For an half adder, we require the 2 binary inputs as well as the 2 binary outputs. The 2 binary inputs are x and y. The 2 binary outputs are the one is sum, another one is a carry. So 0 plus 0 Sum is 0, right? 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. This is what this bit is called as AND bit. This bit is called as AND bit. This bit is called as, always the higher order bit will be the carry bit. The lower order bit will be the sum bit. Sum as well as carry. This is added bit. This is AND bit. Okay. For time being, we represented this AND bit is X, added bit is Y, C for carry, S for sum. Okay. Now we'll find an equation for that. Can I find an equation for that sum as well as the carry? Of course we can find, because it is a boolean, right? So it is a one. I will find out the equation for that sum. Now wherever that one is there, I can take for that. Here the one. So 0, 1, that is x dash y plus wherever one here, x y dash. So that we can find an equation, x equal x dash y plus x y dash. Similarly, I can also find that equation for that carry also. For c equal to both, only this case only I can find. Now the sum of product terms. So by default we are taking the sum of product terms, not for that POS, product of terms, because always we consider the min term as a one. Okay. Now you know that S equation, you know for that C equation. Can I, using combinational circuit, can I designing for that one? Of course we can design. So already you know the design procedure to construct that combinational circuit, right? So sum of product term, the logical diagram of adder. So this is the two combination of the sum as well as the carry will give the combinational circuit, right? Now S equal to x dash y plus x y dash. So see, it's a very simple. So x y dash and x dash y. So product term, we can add term, it will give the sum. Carry is x and y. So it is very easy to construct for that one. Actually, you know, for that XOR gate, what is an XOR gate? A XOR B. If you expand this A XOR B, what is the output for that A XOR B? Now I'm typing here A A XOR B. What is an A XOR B? So it is A dash. It is A dash B plus A B dash, right? It is A dash B, and so it is x y dash plus x dash y. So it is a what? Normally it is a x x or y. So we can re-return this one, right? So I can return x or y like this, because it is x dash y, x y dash plus x dash y. I can return x x or y. What is the symbol for that x x or y? This is symbol for that x symbol, that is logical gate for that x x or y. X y x or y, that is a sum. What is the carry? X y is carry, right? Yeah, x into y carry. So by default, the off adder logical gate will be this one. By default, off adder it is this one. So HA off adder is X or Y is a sum, carry is XY. So got it? Off adder. Off adder, how we construct for that off adder? Off adder, we require the anyway, if you know the design procedure for that combinational circuit, it's going to be easy for constructing for that any combinational circuit. First, you need to identify what are the inputs. For adder, for off adder, how many inputs are we required? Only the two inputs are required, right? So x and y two inputs are required. So from that, possible number of combinations will be what? 4 possible combinations. Also, you must be know how many number of outputs are there. For off adder, we require the two outputs. For the two inputs, how many outputs are there? Two outputs. So for x and y are the inputs, and carry as well as sum is an output. From that designing the truth table, then we find a equation. After that, you constructed a logical diagram. So this is the final logical diagram for that half adder. Okay. Now, suppose the combination of this is only one half adder. So yesterday, not yesterday. Now I speak about if you combine the two half adders, it will give what? Full adder, right? So if you, this is an half adder plus half adder. If you take one more, you can take one more half adder over here. It will give a full adder, right? Now, what is a full adder? What it looks like? Full adder. I told you a full adder, it will be required. How many inputs are there? A full adder will be required 3 inputs. Half adder requires 3 outputs. Half adder requires 2 inputs. Full adder requires 3 inputs. Whereas output will be the common for the both. What is the output? Sum as well as the carry. For example, now I am constructing the full adder. For a full adder, let it be x and y and z. Here z means C input. Initially, it is applying for that input. See, if it is a 3 x, y, z, the total possible combinations are how many? 8 combinations. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, you add all this 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Sum is 0. The C output will be also 0. Similarly, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Sum will be the 1, carry will be the 1. So come to here. 0 plus 1, what is the value? 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. This is 1, 0. Similarly, see, I will calculate this. 1 plus 1, it is a 1, 0. 1, 0 plus 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1. Right? This is a 1, 1. So now for 3 variables, inputs, we calculate that outputs. So now we are designing a full adder logical circuit. So what is a full adder logical circuit? How we are designing a full adder logical circuit? So for S, so S we are taking as a inputs, right? So wherever this S will be there, wherever S, here S equal to 1, S equal to 1. So that is what x dash y dash z plus x dash y z dash plus this one x y dash z dash plus this is x y z. This is x y z. See, x dash y dash plus x dash y z y z dash, sorry, y z dash plus x y dash z dash plus x y z. So here carry also, wherever the 1 is there, wherever the 1 is there, you can carry this one. Wherever the 1, will see for the carry, simple all this x into z, x into y, x, y, z. So the carry will be there. So all going very fast. Okay. Also there is another approaches for that one, right? So you might ask a question, straight away how could I write for this? So I get an equation from another, this is a reduced equation, right? So using corner map, you apply like this. You apply like this, you will get all the equations. See, this is a best example for that the minterms which is not cover any adjacent cells. The best diagram, right? You know, the first class I talk about that the prime implicants, right? Prime implicants and essential prime implicants. Can anyone tell this one? I written a 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, right? Regarding this equation, I written over here. Now, there is no adjacent cells are there. Individual cells are. These are all the individual cells, right? These are all, you cannot be formed. Even the 4 ones will be there. You cannot be formed any adjacent cells. You cannot be formed any adjacent. You cannot be find any adjacent cells. This is the best example for that. All are the essential prime, essential one. All are the essential prime implicants. All are the essential. all are the essential prime implicants. Okay. Similarly, we can place all the ones over here. So using this, I find out the minimized Boolean expression. This is also minimized Boolean expression. Now we stop this diagram. Tomorrow class we talk about how we get this z or from this how can I written all this. Tomorrow we class discuss it. After that we'll designing this. It is a for being what is a full order. It is a total full order. Just now I speak about, it is an half adder and one more half adder. The combination of these two half adder will give the entire the sum. So next class we talk about this, and also next class we'll take how can that addition will be performed, binary addition will be performed. So to consider any, we'll take one example, one number, binary number A, binary number, we'll take 4-bit numbers, and B another 4-bit numbers. Let it be 000, one binary number, 0001, one binary number. If you add, you will get 001 only. 0 plus 1 equal to 1, right? So how can I solve this? Tomorrow class we talk about all this. So there are, let it be for time being. So there are two binary numbers. One is 000 plus 0001. What is the solution for this? So 0001 only, right? How can I